Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. So, this is the EME subject, class 2, unit 1. So, today we are going to discuss about the types of thermodynamic systems. So, this is a class 2. Listen carefully. So, in this class, we are going to discuss these topics. So, in this class, we will discuss these topics. First one is types of thermodynamic systems. Types of thermodynamic systems, and in that main topic again we have three subtopics. They are: number one, open system; second one, closed system. So open system, another name of the open system is called flow system, and second one is closed system. Another name of the closed system is non-flow system, and third one is isolated system. So these are the three topics. So we are going to discuss in this class. So let us start one by one. First one, what is one? First one, open system. Open system. So these are the three types of systems, thermodynamic systems. Right. Let us start. Types of thermodynamic systems. So based on mass transfer and energy transfer across the boundary, based on mass transfer and energy transfer across the boundary, systems are classified into three types. Systems are classified into three types. They are: number one, open system; number two, closed system; number three, isolated system. So these are the basic three types of systems, thermodynamic systems: open system, closed system, and isolated system. And these are the examples for the open system. This is a open system example, and second diagram is closed system example, and third one is isolated system. This is a thermoflask, third one. So thermoflask is the isolated system. So this is a these are the examples of the open system and closed system, isolated system. So let us see first one, open system. So that is flow system. Open system or flow system. What is open system? When do we say this is a open system, this is a closed system, this is a isolated system? So when do we say? So open system is nothing but the system in which both energy and mass transfer takes place. In open system, energy as well as mass transfer takes place across the boundary of the system, so that system is called open system. Once again listen, what is open system? So all of you see this diagram. We are considering this is a system. So we are taking some part of the universe, so that is, we call it as system. This is our system. Okay, in this system, so mass is transferring. In this system, mass is transferring and energy also transferring, and also mass is outing and energy also outing the system. So once again listen, what is system means: the system in which both energy as well as mass transfers across the boundary of the system. So that system is called open system. See here, energy is entering into the open system and mass is entering into the open system, and mass is leaving the system and energy also leaving the system. Means both are entering, both are leaving. So this type of system is called open system. And examples for the open system: most of the all engineering devices are considered as a open system. All engineering devices are open system, considered under open system. So like gas turbine, steam turbine, pump. Pump means centrifugal pump. This is centrifugal pump, and air compressor, nozzle, and diffuser, etc. So these are the examples for the open system or flow system. Gas turbine, steam turbine. So these are all engineering devices. These are all engineering devices. These are all comes under open system. Okay. Once again listen, what is open system? The system in which both energy as well as mass transfers across the boundary of the system is called open system. So these are the some of the examples for the open system. So let us see gas turbine, steam turbine, pump, air compressor, nozzle, diffuser, etc. one by one in the next slide. See gas turbine. So this is a gas turbine diagram. So here in this gas turbine, mass is entering and energy also entering. So air fuel mixture will enter into the system, and means some fuel is entering, means some mass will enter into the system. Both will enter into the system. So here the system is nothing but what? So we are considering the gas turbine as a system. We are considering a gas turbine as a system. So in this system, both energy as well as mass or both are entering into the system, and both are living out of the system. So this is one of the example for the open system. And second one, steam turbine. Second one, steam turbine. So this is also example for the open system. See here, uh, from here fuel is entering. Fuel is entering means some mass is entering into the system. So we are considering this total. This one is as a system. We are considering this total as system. So here some fuel is entering into the system, means some of the mass entering into the system, means mass is entering into the system, and fresh air or fresh energy will enter into the system. So both are entering into the system and both are living from the system. So this is also one type of the open system, and this is a example for the open system. Steam turbine is the second example for the open system. Mass is entering and energy is entering, mass is living, energy also living. Okay. And third example, steam turbine, sorry, um, power plant. This is a power plant. So here energy is passing through this turbine. Energy is passing through this turbine, and we are producing electricity. We are producing here electricity, and also steam is rotating this turbine blades. Steam is means some of the mass entering into the system. So this steam is rotating the turbine blades. Whenever the turbine is rotates, so here the generator will run. So when the generator will run, so electricity will be produced by this steam. So here energy and mass both are crossing the system boundary. Both are crossing the system boundary. So this is also one of the example for the open system, steam power plant. Next, pump. So this is a centrifugal pump. So fluid is outing from the centrifugal pump, means energies as well as mass both are leaving the system. This is also one of the example for the open system. And air compressor also example for the compressor. This is a air compressor, and so here also mass is entering, energy also entering, mass leaving and energy leaving from the air compressor. So this is also one of the example for the open system. And let us see second type, closed system. What is closed system? Closed system means the system in which only energy transfers takes place. The system in which only energy transfer takes place across the boundary of the system, that is called closed system. So if the energy and mass will cross this system boundary, that is open system, only energy will cross the system boundary, energy will cross the system boundary, then it is called closed system. The system in which only energy transfer takes place across the boundary of the system. So that type of system is called closed system. So here all of you observe this figure. So here energy is entering into the system and energy is leaving the system. So no mass entering, no mass leaving from this system. So this type of system is called closed system. So examples for the closed system: pressure cooker and refrigerator, piston cylinder arrangement without valves. These are the some of the examples for the closed system. These are the some of the examples for closed system: pressure cooker, rubber balloon filled with air, and refrigerator, piston cylinder arrangement without valves. Piston cylinder arrangement without walls. So this is about closed system. And third one, isolated system. Third one is what? Isolated system. What is isolated system? How can we define isolated system? Means the system in which neither mass nor energy crosses the boundary of the system. The system in which neither mass nor energy crosses the boundary of the system, then it is called isolated system. Means, so here observe this diagram. So in the system, not mass is entering, mass not entering into the system, and energy is not entering into the system, and mass not leaving from the system, energy also not leaving from the system. So this type of system is called isolated system. Isolated system. So examples, isolated system example, thermoflask and universe. Thermoflask and universe. So these are the some of the examples for the isolated system. Thermoflask and universe. I hope you understand about thermodynamic systems, that is open system, closed system, isolated system. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much. And we have one more system, that is adiabatic system. uh, Adiabatic system. What is adiabatic system? Means heat cannot cross the system boundary.